जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 9th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, this entire Srishti is my body. That means I am the Srishti, and the earth is the part of Srishti. That means I am the earth. Earth has a beautiful fragrance. That means I am the fragrance of this bhumi. Arjuna, I am the Srishti, and the part of this Srishti is Agni. That means I am the Agni, fire. Agni has a light. That means I am the light of Agni. Arjuna, I am the Srishti. All the souls are the part of Srishti. That means I am the all souls. Every soul has life, the living force, Jivana Adharam, Ayush. That means I am the life of all living entities. Arjuna, I am the Srishti, and all those who are doing tapasya is the part of this Srishti. That means I am the ascetics, those who are doing tapasya, and they have the ability to do tapas. That means I am the ability to do tapasya of all those who are doing tapasya. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma proving and establishing his all-pervasiveness and his Narayana Tattvam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Punyo gandhaha prithivyancha tejaschasmi vibhavasau jivanam सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma saying that always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura is now talking to Maitreya, requesting Maitreya like this. O Maitreya, Narayano Visvasruk, the entire creator of this entire creation is Narayana, and he is by himself. He is not dependent upon anything. That is Sriman Narayana, and he is the cause of this entire effect. Sarva Jagat Karanam Sriman Narayana. O Maitreya, I would like to know about Paramatma, how he created all these entities, how he brought all these Jnanendriya, Karmendriyas and gave to all the entities. How did he do that? O Maitreya, I see there are so many different entities. How Paramatma did this entire so many different varieties of Srishti. O Maitreya, I have learned about dharmas from Vyasa. What are the different dharmas and how people have to practice those dharmas. Every person will have different dharma based on their situation, based on the category they belong to. So all about these dharmas I have learned, I have listened from Vyasa Maharshi so many times. In that aspect, I am completely satisfied. Atrupnuma, but tesham rute Krishna katha amrutaughat. Ho Maitreya, Ramapati Charitamrutarati Samsruti Vedanalellabhaya Cheyu. O Munindra. Ho Maitreya, but I am not satisfied about one aspect, that is of Krishna Paramatma's, Sriman Narayana's divine stories. Only those divine miraculous stories of Paramatma gives us eternal bliss. I did not get to listen to them in total. I am not satisfied, I am not content in that aspect. That is why, can you please tell me all the stories about Paramatma? Oh Maitreya, when you such great scholars, when you such great devotees giving discourse about Paramatma's divine stories and describing Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas, who would not get satisfied on this earth? Will there be anyone who would not like to listen to Paramatma's stories? That is why, O Maitreya, please tell me all Paramatma's stories. Yah karnanadim purushasya yato. O Maitreya, when Paramatma's divine stories and Kalyana Gunas went through ears to the heart, from there the effect of those stories, the effect of listening to Srimannarayana's Divyakatharavindam, that will remove the clutches of Janana, Marana, birth and death. That much of great power Paramatma's stories has. That is why I would like to listen to all Srimannarayana's Divyakatharavindam from you. O Maitreya, your friend Krishnadvaipayana, Vyasa Maharshi, he wanted to tell about Srimannarayana. He wanted to describe Paramatma's divine Kalyana Gunas. In that process, he also mentioned about so many dharmas, so many karmas. And then he realized, if someone comes through this dharma karma, if someone listens to this dharma karma, then they will understand very inferiority of this dharma karma, very limited benefit of this dharma karma. Then they will definitely look forward to listen to which can give eternal bliss, unlimited bliss. Vyasa Maharshi realized that, and then he composed Mahabharatam and gave it to the humanity. Like this, Vidura talking to Maitreya and praying Maitreya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam. Sikye nidhayadya payodadhini bahirgatayam vrajanayikayam bhuktva yedheshtam kapatena suptam balam mukundam manasa smarami balam mukundam manasa smarami. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 9th sloka. Punyo gandhaha prithivyancha tejaschasmi vibhavasau jivanam sarvabhuteshu tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Punyo gandhaha prithivyancha tejaschasmi vibhavasau jivanam sarvabhuteshu tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.